Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to add cartoon animation on Android phone display using a simple app which will make your phone more stylish and cool. Here you can see two cartoon animation. So this will make my phone more stylish and cool. I hope you also like this animation and apps. So let's start.
Spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right? Shorty look good in the moonlight, so why you so bad, my spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right?
So guys, for this app you need to go to Google Play Store and you need to search Shimeji. So I'm going to Play Store and search Shimeji. Here you can see the app, and you will find different kind of app like this, but I recommend you to download this one. The developer of this app is Digital Cosmos, and the rating is 4.7, which is really good, and the file size is 2.8 MB only. Here some short screens. So first I like to install the app. Okay, now I like to open. So after open you will find like this. So you need to first enable Shimeji. So turn this button on. When you try to enable Shimeji, you'll find one interface like this. So here you can see allow display over other apps. So just turn this button on. After turn this button on, go back and again turn this button on. Okay, after enable Shimeji, you need to add animation. Just for add animation, hit plus symbol and you will find tons of animation here. So choose which animation you want to use for on your Android display. So I like this one. And this one. Okay, after download, here you can find your animation, but if you do not find your animation, just hit back and again hit plus. Here you can see my animation and another. Okay, here you can see my animation. You can add more animation from here, but this feature are paid, but I think this too is enough for this small display. So guys, at the left side you find some option. Here you can see. So first one is menu, which is this one, and second one is upgrade. If you like to upgrade this app, you need to go to this option. Third one is settings, fourth one is credits, and last one is review. So now I like to show some settings. Here you can see animation speed. You can also increase or decrease animation speed. Suppose I like to increase. Here you can see my animation speed is increased, and I can decrease animation speed. I can also increase or decrease Shimeji animation cartoon animation size. Here you can see the cartoon animation size is increased. I can keep also my cartoon animation size is small, and you can also add set background, and you can also give time. so that you can disable this Shimeji cartoon animation. You can see 5 minutes is time is set. When I double tap on my display, my animation will disable for 5 minutes. And last one is show notification. Here is the settings of this app, and here you can see my animation. When I use another app, for example using YouTube or browsing, use browser or use any other app, this animation will keep up always on my display. I hope you like this app and animation. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.